Director for Murrelektronik India. Of course, we've been partnering with IED for last 10 years, and this is our 10th year of participation in Automation Expo. We are specialized in IP67 connectivity solutions. We are a German-based company, and this is of course the third day of the exhibition. So far I think the crowd, the customers have been good, and we expect more of them to come down today. And of course this year I think we've set up these stalls in a new hall, which is a little new to all of us. So I hope, and also I think the legacy of Mr. Arokya Swami will continue to have its bearing and presence on the Auto Expo. And let's hope that probably he's wishing all of us the best and his team the best to ensure that the Expo remains successful, not just for this show but in the future as well. Thank you.